Here is how to log into Fantasy Premier League. So first, you need to open a web browser, or you can also open the application on your device. And if you're using the website, go to account.premierleague.com. This will directly take you to the login portal. And here you'll get two different sections of sign in and join my PL. Make sure that you're in the section of sign in. And here you can manually go ahead and enter your email address associated with your account and then enter your account password in this field and click on sign in. But besides that, you also have the option to log in with your Google account, your Facebook account, also with your Twitter and Apple. So I'm going to go ahead and select the Google account, click on sign in with Google, select the specific email that is associated with your account, and you'll be instantly logged in to your account without entering any password. And likewise, you can also follow the same steps on your mobile device, iPad, or any other device. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.